Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a tire and put a spare on this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. Make sure you've put your vehicle in park. You're going to open this compartment right here and you're going to have a bag. You're going to open that bag and it's going to have a pretty chintzy tire iron and a scissor jack. Come over here, we're changing our rear tire here. You can see we've got a blowout in the sidewall. So what you're gonna do is put this on here and then stand on this and jump up and down. That's the easiest way to get these to break loose. Then we're gonna take our scissor jack, we're gonna set it under here and start turning it up. And you want this groove right here to sit in your unibody rail. Just like that. And then you're going to put your tire iron on here and start jacking your car up. This would be a good time to tell you you need to be on flat ground, and you want to make sure, if you can, you're off on a side road or someplace with low traffic, and be careful you don't get run over. Okay, so now we're going to finish taking these lug nuts off. Make sure you break these loose before you jack up the vehicle because it's easier to do it that way. You're just going to use this tool here to unscrew all the lug nuts. Okay, so now you're just going to push on the side of here like this and pop the wheel loose. Sometimes these are really rusted on and they're very difficult to get off, and you might need to stand up and kick it like this or other drastic measures. Hopefully it pops off for you easy enough like that. Okay, now we're going to remove this piece right here. Stick our tire iron down here. And this is going to be difficult because there's not a lot of room here, but you gotta break this loose and then you twist lefty loosey, and this will lower your spare tire down from the center of the middle of your vehicle here on the bottom. You need to continue turning this loose until you can pull the spare tire all the way out from under the vehicle. Now we're going to pull up on this piece here, and then you're going to fold these tabs in like this. You can put that piece off to the side there. This is a bad time to check and make sure that your tire is inflated. This is a good thing to do before your tire goes flat. So fortunately ours is pumped up. So you're going to take the tire here, line it up with the lug nuts like that. Use your toe to hold it on there straight. Turn a lug nut on. And do that with all 5. Okay, so now we need to put our tire holder back up. So we're gonna flip these ears back out, and then you can just set it right there. You're gonna turn this until this gets tight and you can't turn it anymore. And you're gonna put your plug back. We're gonna let down our jack. So we are going to start lowering the vehicle back down to the ground. Alright, now that we've got it back onto the ground, we are going to tighten these lug nuts up about as tight as you can get them. Once you've got them as tight as you can get them by hand, like that one, I like to put it like this and then stand on it again. and get it to where it's nice and tight like that. And do that for all 5 of them. And then put your tire iron and jack back in the trunk, and you can slowly make your way to get a new tire. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a better day.